In this video, we are going to see that if you want to disable the option of minimize to tray in Discord, here is how you can do it. First of all, just understand the significance of it. When you close any particular applications, you might have noticed that it is not closed fully. Instead, it is loaded on the right hand tray icon here. It still appears here and it is working fully. Just minimize itself as you click on close. But when I close, I want it to be fully closed and not minimized into the tray. What we can do is just click on the user settings on the bottom left hand corner. And from here, if we scroll down into the app settings section, here is the option of Windows settings. Just click on that and it says here, close button minimizes to tray, hiding X. And it says hitting X will make Discord sit back and relax in your system tray when you close the app. So if it is enabled, it will minimize into the tray and not close it fully. If we want to disable this, then it will be fully closed as we click on X icon. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.